Let's see if you know what actually counts as touching someone without permission. There's this NASA scientist back in 1967, brilliant mathematician working on space missions, and he's at some fancy hotel conference in Texas. He gets in line for lunch holding his plate when this racist hotel manager comes up and snatches the plate out of his hands. Doesn't touch him, just grabs the plate and screams that black people can't eat here. Here's where this gets crazy. That scientist sued for battery and won $900, which was serious money back then. The court said grabbing someone's plate counts as battery because the plate was closely connected to his person. But wait, it gets worse. Civil law now says that any object you're holding becomes part of your body legally. Your phone, your coffee cup, your car keys. Touch those without permission and boom, you could be sued for battery. And here's the pivot that will blow your mind. That same legal framework that protects you from having your lunch stolen also means that if you playfully flick someone's ear, you've technically committed the exact same tort as someone who beats a person with a tire iron. Same potential lawsuit. Tort law doesn't care about your intentions. It doesn't care if you're joking. All it cares about is whether a reasonable person would find your contact offensive. Which brings us to the twist that nobody talks about. You know how everyone bumps into each other on subways and busy streets? Legally, that should all be considered battery. But courts created this exception called exigencies of everyday life, basically saying society would collapse if we sued everyone who accidentally brushed against us. The line between everyday contact and offensive battery is completely subjective. One jury's friendly pat on the shoulder is another jury's million-dollar judgment. The civil system is broken because it treats a gentle ear flick the same as an assault with a deadly weapon in terms of tort liability, while simultaneously ignoring actual harmful contact that happens every day in crowded spaces. And that NASA scientist case, it didn't just win in money, it fundamentally changed American civil law forever. Now anything you touch becomes legally part of someone's body. Their dignity extends to every object in their hands. Makes you think twice about grabbing someone's phone to show them a meme, doesn't it? That could be a battery lawsuit waiting to happen.